Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Are you tired of dealing with stinky shoes? Well, no further. In this video, we're going to show you how to eliminate odors quickly and easily. Say goodbye to embarrassing shoe odors once and for all. Firstly, let's start with some preventive measures. Make sure to wear socks made from breathable materials to absorb sweat and prevent odor buildup. Also, try sprinkling baking soda inside your shoes at night. This natural deodorizer works wonders. Now, let's move on to deep cleaning your shoes. Give them a good scrub with warm water and mild soap. And don't forget to clean the insoles too. Once clean, let them air dry completely to avoid trapping moisture and creating a breeding ground for bacteria. Another option is to use odor-neutralizing sprays or powders. These products work by eliminating the bacteria that cause those unpleasant smells. Simply spray or sprinkle them inside your shoes, and voila! Freshness awaits. But what if your shoes still stink? Fear not, we have a secret weapon for you. Tea bags. Yes, you heard it right. Place a few unused tea bags inside your shoes overnight. The tea leaves will absorb the odor, leaving your shoes smelling fresh as flowers in the morning. Finally, let's not forget the power of fresh air. Whenever possible, let your shoes have a breath of fresh air outside. Sunlight and fresh air work wonders in removing odors naturally. So there you have it, the ultimate odor elimination guide. Remember to follow these tips regularly to keep your shoes smelling fresh and clean. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like this. Bye for now.